Hi, hello guys. Today we are going to tear down this amplifier Fosi Audio ZA3. We will check what's inside. Okay, first remove the knob and just loosen this nut. Okay. This is solid aluminum, very good quality. Now, Allen's key required. Okay, so right. Now just a push. Okay. Wow. So this is what inside story. What is inside first? All looking very good quality components and assembled in a very good manner. This is the chip, amplifier chip, and this is the aluminum heatsink. Heatsink also connect to the body, so dissipation will be very good. Now what all the departments are there. Okay, it's written XLR op amp. All these are op amps. You can replace it with any other operational amplifiers if you want, like OPA series or any good quality one. This is NE5532. All are NE5532. Now this is an XLR section. Now this is sub op amp 1, sub op amp 2, left side op amp, and this is right side op amp. So whichever op amp you want to change, you can replace it with any other make or any other series. So these capacitors and everything, they are very good quality. And total assembly looks very clean and very good. I think you can change the operational amplifier very easily. So everyone is in socket. That's every segment is okay. These are small relays, I think. Okay, that's what inside story of this Fosi amplifier. Now we will check the power and everything in next video. Okay.